Hello, welcome back to the JoJo's farm. Thank you all our return subscribers. Thank you our subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us that favor and hit the subscription button. Also hit the notification button so that when we share anything, you'll be the first to know, guys. It's going on. Today I'm gonna talk about what kind of pen that you wanna have for your pigs. As you all know, we are doing expansion on our pen, and it's been a little, you know, expensive. Let me put it that way, like over the budget. And these things happen to a lot of people. I had opportunity to visit this farm and looking at the structure, looking at the construction, you realize that it is not much expensive as compared to the concrete and those stuff that we were doing. Even though this one, the floor has a metallic kind of floor, which I believe it makes it very easy for them to clean it and stuff like that. As compared to what we have, it is a very different, style of construction. And like I always say, pig farming, it depends on what you want. Looking at this construction, it is very nice, neat, and I don't know. I decided to, make a video about it. If somebody might be interested, if you are constructing a pig farm or pen, and you think that this one will be much easier for you than the normal, concrete and cement style of construction for pig pens, then it might be, a good idea if you want to go with this kind. I don't know the advantage and the disadvantage, but I believe that this one will be much cheaper as compared to the concrete one or the cement one. Nowadays, back in Africa, we've been having a lot of challenges with feed. The feed has been very expensive and it has been shortage as well. And I believe a lot of people are doing export. People are buying and hoarding. People are doing all kind of business with these feeds, and it has made it very difficult to feed these pigs to the maximum satisfaction. And one thing that you have to know is that if you are doing farming, whatsoever it is, especially I'm talking about livestock, whatever you give them is what you get. Whatever you give them is what you get back. So we say junk in, junk out. If you give them junk, you're gonna get junk out. So it is very important that we give them a good treatment, very good feed. We make sure that we are giving them all the kind of injections that they need, the medications that they need, to grow healthy. So that if you sell them, people that will buy will also enjoy the meat. And when you are able to do that, people will definitely be pointing your farm and they will love to come to your farm to come and buy always, which is very important. The reason why we're making all these businesses is to satisfy the customer. And if you are able to satisfy the customers, your customers will always come to you. They will definitely come to you for their supply. And that is what we are talking about. It is very important that you get this kind of attitude towards your farm, that when people come there, they will see the good work that you are doing, guys. It is very important. We are not just doing farm because we want to do farm. We are doing farm because we want to satisfy our customers. We want to satisfy our neighbors. We want to satisfy our community. We want to give them a healthy, meat, healthy supply, so that they will be also be fulfilled with their money that they spent on whatever that we were able to sell for them. I know the feed, like I said, it has been very expensive, but price wise, it has been a little bit controversy here and there, because people come with their price in their hands. I said to my farm manager, we are not gonna sell as people are expecting to buy. No, we are not, because feed is very, very expensive. Feed is very expensive. And because feed is expensive, you cannot sell anyhow. Looking at our structure and looking at the structures that I showed earlier on, you realize that these structures are very expensive. I don't know, but I believe so. Guys, choose the best structure that you can afford and make it simple for your pigs. Thank you all once again. God richly bless you all, and be focused in whatever you are doing and keep pushing. You will definitely reap where you sow. Have a good one and watch out for our next video. Bye.